Yo, what is up, guys? Mike Wire is back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Songify to make your streams more interactive using channel points and song requests, and also have your mods and your VIPs be able to control the song request queue. Alright, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so what you first want to do is you want to head down to the Twitch homepage and go into creator dashboard. Once you're here, you want to go down to the viewers awards tab, then go into the channel points reward. So now we're going to add our channel point with our song requests. So if we scroll down and go to add a new reward, name it, I'm going to name it SR for song requests. No, it's fine. You could put anything in the description, up to you. And I'm gonna choose 100 points. And make sure that you guys have required viewers to enter text, because if you don't, then people that get this award won't be able to add any songs to the queue. And you can also add your own emotes if you guys like. Everything else you can leave unchecked. That's okay. And create. And now we should have it up here. So it's 100 points. And now it's ready to go. Alright, so now you want to head over to Songify. I'm going to leave a link in the description for Songify so that you guys can download it and use it for your streams. So what you first want to do is you want to go into settings. And once you're in settings, you want to head down to Spotify. Make sure that your Spotify is linked up. Go down into Twitch. Make sure that your Twitch is linked up for your main account and your bot account. Making sure that, everything's working well there. And you can check auto connect and leave everything else off, depending up to you on how you want to set it up. Then this is where the most important part is. So now the reward that you created earlier, you want to select that now. So here it is, SR. And now we want to head down to song requests. So here, enable SR for your channel points. Allow user levels would determine on who has the ability to do what in the stream. Make sure you enable all of these. This will allow for everyone to be able to, type something and add a song into the queue. Alright guys, so now I want to show you how this looks like. So now if we go down to the Twitch chat and we go into song requests, now you see we can add a text. Let's say we wanted to add needs. And now it's added to the queue, as you can see. And if we just skip this song, see? It's added. Alright, now let's say you wanted your moderators and your VIPs to have control of what's added into the queue. So the way you can do this is you can deselect viewers and subscribers for SR command and leave everything else checked. This is fine, because everyone will have the ability to get the reward, but people won't have the ability to add something. When you do this, you want to make sure that you deselect the reward if you want to have your moderators and your VIPs to have control of what's added into the queue. Because if you have this selected to the reward, everyone can still play something inside the queue, because this is enabled. The reward is enabled for everyone. Also, make sure you have unlimited song requests enabled so that you guys can just keep playing songs throughout the whole stream if you like. So now you want to go down into commands. Make sure you guys have !SSR enabled so that your moderators and your VIPs can have the ability to add songs to the queue that your viewers requested. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what this looks like exactly. So let's say I'm a viewer in your stream. So if I go down into channel points now and I type a name of a song, the bot won't pop up as adding that to the queue now, because remember we disabled it for viewers and subscribers. But me as a broadcaster and my moderators and my VIP, we have the ability to add songs to the queue if we like. Now it's added to the queue. So viewers can claim the reward, but the moderators and VIP can add songs to the queue if they like. Alright guys, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a subscribe if you found the video helpful, and answer any questions in the Discord or down in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, boys.